When we practice Tai Chi, we need to pay attention how our body is used. First of all, let's talk about the head and the eyes. The head, neck is naturally upright, and our eyes look naturally straight. Whenever we practice, if you look down onto your feet, that will change your head positions and your neck position. And once your head and neck is changed, your balance will change. So remember, keep your eyes naturally straight. Second is our shoulders. Most common mistake people make is they lift their shoulders without knowing. We need to be consciously pay attention as the shoulders are loosed and sink downward. When we turn our body, we turned our shoulder, waist together. That's in one union, one piece. Don't turn just the shoulder and the waist is not turning. It's very easy to do. So this is also a point that we need to remember. Now, let's talk about the legs. The most serious mistakes people make in practice Tai Chi is positioning of their legs incorrectly. The correct posture is our knee lined up with our ankle perpendicular to the ground. The most common mistakes is people push their knee forward. Some of it even more severe that pushes past their toes line. If you look at this structurally, you will realize all the body weight, it is now rest in your knee. Sometimes people come to me and says, when I practice Tai Chi, my knee hurts. And without looking at their frames, or even without their moving, I understand this is possible, one of the mistakes they made. Make sure the knee angle are perpendicular. By looking at this structure, you realize all the body weight it is now pressed down into your feet. And another most important is your knee and your toes is always pointed at the same direction. Never pull your knee and toes pointed at different direction. When you do that, you will twist your knee out. And this is one of the most serious mistakes people make. So I want to emphasize on this over and over. It's knee angle perpendicular. Knee and toes point to the same direction. In breathing, when we practice Tai Chi, sometimes people ask, when do I inhale, when do I exhale? It is easier to focus on the exhale. At the ending posture of every frame, we exhale. For example, the opening. Raise and lift, it's inhaled, it's easy to understand. But as we finished, we will exhale. Sometimes people find this distance from here to here is too long. Breathe naturally, but trying to coordinate with the last move, last frame, exhale. And do that at the beginning. For the second posture, for example, parting the wild horse's mane, you can breathe naturally and not to think about that, but make a conscious effort as you come into the end of this frame. Then you exhale. And don't hold your breath. Holding breath is not good in our practice. Breathing should be done naturally. But focus on the ending posture and exhale. One of the magic about Tai Chi is how we use our legs. We never put our weight equally on both legs. We always constantly put more weight on one leg and the other one's less. And because of this constant up and down, so the legs gets to work out. If you put your weight equally, you will not feel the workout that is designed for.